In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link ClickUp and Slack seamlessly. If you're looking to boost your productivity and ensure your team stays aligned, integrating these two powerful tools can make a world of difference. Let's dive right in to show you how this integration is done. Start by opening your preferred browser and navigating over to the ClickUp website. You'll need to log into your ClickUp account to get started. Once you're in, look towards the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll find the name of your workspace. Click on your workspace name. This step is crucial as it will enable us to access the settings which will allow us to make the necessary integrations. After selecting your workspace name, look for a settings option or an icon that indicates settings and click on it. The settings menu is typically your command center for tweaking and optimizing how ClickUp works for you and your team. It contains everything from user preferences to advanced integrations, which is precisely what we're going for. Next, in your settings options, locate and click on App Center. The App Center is essentially a hub within ClickUp where you can connect to other applications, further leveraging ClickUp's capabilities. This is where ClickUp extends its powerful features beyond your project management needs to connect with many other apps you might use daily. In the App Center, your focus should now be on finding Slack. You may have a list or a search bar, which can make it easier if you're dealing with a long list of available apps. Click on Slack when you spot it. Slack is a well-known team messaging tool that many professionals use to streamline communication within teams. Connecting it with ClickUp means you can receive notifications, create tasks, and more, right from Slack. Once you've clicked on Slack, you'll be presented with an option to connect. Click on this button. This step initiates the process of linking your ClickUp account with your Slack workspace. A prompts window should appear, asking you to authorize the integration by logging into your Slack account. Follow these prompts to grant ClickUp access to your Slack workspace. This authorization is necessary to allow ClickUp to interact with Slack efficiently, sending notifications and updates between the platforms. And there you have it. You've successfully linked ClickUp with Slack. This integration is now set up, and you should be ready to see your productivity soar. With Slack and ClickUp working together, you can create tasks within conversations, ensure your team is always in the loop, and keep track of project updates all in real time. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.